Okay, hey guys, this is, well, that's actually really loud. I'm here with Anthony. If you're wondering, for the last episode, yes, my brace just popped off my tooth, and I will definitely fix that after we play. So, that was a pop-up.
Let's play the Family Feud.
Sounds like a plan, buddy.
Round one.
We surveyed 100 people. The top 7 answers are on the board.
Dang.
Here's the question.
A reason that cab driver might say I had a bad day on the job. Well, annoying humans. Submit that.
Survey says not there.
This is like so much different than the NES thing. It rained. I don't know.
Survey says
Ah, come on.
You suck.
He almost pooped his pants when, dang it, he almost pooped his pants. That's all I can think of. Come on. Dang it!
strike 3. Too bad.
Too bad.
Look at what you missed. Let's see number 1.
No.
23.
2, please. Let's see number 3. Let's see number 4. Let's see number 5.
I don't know what this game is talking about. If I was a taxi driver, none of that would annoy me.
7. Let's see it. Let's see how you did.
Oh yeah. Took the scoreboard.
You can still catch up. Let's play some more Feud. We surveyed 100 people.
Good for you.
6 answers are on the board.
Okay.
Here's the question.
Something women might leave lipstick marks on. Food.
Survey says
Come on now, really? Might leave it on men.
Survey says
Come on, really? My final napkins. I don't know.
Survey says
Okay, really? What is wrong with me in this game?
let's take a look at what you missed. Let's see number 1. Can we see 2, please?
Meter.
Let's see number 3.
Color.
Let's see number 4.
Cup.
Let's see number 5. Let's see number 6.
But not buttocks.
Let's see how you did.
Well, we're getting there.
Okay, you can still catch up. Time for round 3. Doubles or doubles. We surveyed 100 people.
Good for you.
5 answers are on the board.
Dang.
Here's the question.
Something a cowboy would hate to have happen during a gunfight. Getting shot. That would be a big one.
Survey says
Yeah.
Yeah.
Running out of bullets.
Survey says
Yeah. Run out of bullets. What else would annoy him? Bad. Only had 10 seconds.
Get his
Die.
shot.
Survey says
Dang it.
not there.
Okay.
Say his partner dies.
his partner dies.
Survey says
Oh, come on.
He misses. Yeah, that would annoy me. Something to hate to have happen. Yeah! He falls. If he falls, then he breaks his neck, and if he breaks his neck, then he pops his brace. And that was wrong.
strike three.
Sad story.
Let's take a look at what you missed. Let's see number 4. Let's see number 5.
Drops the gun.
Let's see
Well.
how you did.
Oh, wow, just top the average. Look at that.
Work, you're ahead.
Yeah. Round 4.
Point values are triple.
Yeah.
We surveyed 100 people.
Good for you.
Top 4 answers are on the board.
Alright.
Here's the question.
If Batman got married, name someone he knows would probably not get an invitation.
His wife.
Really? I know Batman, man.
Survey says
Yeah! Well, obviously not Joker. What do you think, Anthony? The Riddler? Or is that like from some other show?
Yeah, Riddler. Yeah.
survey says
Oh, yeah. 23. What, Anthony? What? Who are some other Batman characters?
Robin.
Well, he would invite Robin. Fine, I'll go with Robin. Dang it, I spelled Robin.
See, this is, let me see. Woo!
survey says
Wait. Skeleton.
Skeleton.
What?
survey says
Oh, come on. It was my fault.
strike 3. Too bad.
Too bad.
Take a look at what you missed. Can we see 2, please?
Catwoman.
Number 4.
Oh, yeah.
Penguin. Why would he not want to invite a penguin to his wedding? Well, top the scoreboard for like the 50th time. Oh, yeah.
2 chances to get 200 points.
Spray the money.
Don't know an answer? Pass, we'll come back to it. You'll have 50 seconds.
Okay.
Please.
Name something in a play Mario asks pause for. A raise. Yeah, whoops. Name something in fastest belt. Sharing a bed with someone. Farts. Something couples exchange when they get married. Vows and farts. Name the largest animal at the zoo. Lion. Yeah. These ads are gonna get me billions of dollars.
See how you did. We asked this question. You said
Oh yeah.
we asked you. You answered.
What? A belt doesn't fasten clothing together? Farts.
Said
What? Come on now!
you answered.
Alright, well, I should have gone with farts. That would have got me more.
You said
Yeah.
give me 55 seconds on the clock.
55. I can't drop 55. Not a raise, a date. I don't know. Buttons. Sweat. Rings. cutest animal at the zoo is socks.
1,000 bonus points. Let's see. We asked this question. You said,
I won! Oh, really?
we asked you. You answered.
Yeah.
You just won cash money plus 20,000 bonus points.
Ooh, yeah. I wasn't even trying. Oh, yeah, I'm a billionaire.
Family Feud.
I won the Family Feud! I won the Family Feud! Alright, let's do it. Farts. Farts. Crowded? Why not farts? Well, that's pretty much all of my answers. Look at that, all my answers except for the farting one. I'm a genius.
That's our game. Hurry on back and play the Family Feud.
I certainly will after I get my brace fixed.
Download full thing.
Alright, I'll do that later, but, you know, you guys should check out this game, and if you could beat 20,598 points, I will personally give you a high five.
That's not worth it.
Yeah, it is. Just,
That's
yeah, if you can get a video of yourself beating my score, I'll give you a high five. So,
No.
that's something to look forward to. Anyways, thank you for watching. I beat the game, so see ya. I'm gonna go dance now. See ya in a sec. I love you. Just joshing. Or maybe I do. How would you know?